Hello students, how are you all? So in our some previous videos we have been already discussing about what? Male reproductive system. Okay, so at least we have been already discussed about all such kinds of systems about male reproductive system, but little bit some kinds of points it was there missing. Okay, what things are missing? I am just saying you that about some kinds of glands are there present, just like a seminal vesicle gland is there present. Two seminal vesicle glands are there present. One prostate gland is there present, just backside of this area. Then here one pair of Cowper's gland. Cowper's gland is also can be called as bulbourethral gland. Okay, so this entire male reproductive system, again I am saying you little bit, that consisting of your accessory glands, yes or no. Then apart from such kinds of glands, accessory ducts also they are present. One pair of testes is also present, and some glands, some organs are there present. But today in this small video I am just going to say you some little bit points about accessory glands and their functions, in which way such kinds of glands help in the passing of your sperm, okay, from its origination point to its destination point. Okay, such kinds of glands actually help for the passing of sperm from one point to another point. Yes or no? What functions are there of such kinds of glands? Let us discuss properly. First of all, gland is known as the seminal vesicle. Just let me write down here. Okay, seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is one gland. Okay, but present in one pairing form. Okay, where is the ampulla region is here? This is the ampulla region. This swelling type of structure that is called the ampulla, and ampulla is present in the vast difference from this ampulla region up to this much of portion. This is known as the ejaculatory duct. Okay, so the point is that whenever sperm will be discharged from the testes, sperm will be carried away through the sperm duct, and by the meantime whenever sperm will be reached here, then sperm also comes with the contact with the secretion. What secretion comes from the seminal vesicle. Okay, actually seminal vesicle is what? Seminal vesicle is a muscular gland. Muscular gland. This is the muscular gland. Muscular gland you can say. Yeah, saccular gland you can say. This is the saccular gland. Yeah, muscular gland. Understood or not? And do you know what is the measurement of this gland? 5 centimeter long. It is the 5 centimeter long. Understood or not? This seminal vesicle. Actually, seminal vesicle secretes one kind of substance. Actually, whatever secretion will be there from seminal vesicle, in that secretion, one substance is there present. That substance name is prostaglandin. You must remember about that, prostaglandin. Prostaglandin name, one kind of substance is found in the secretion of seminal vesicle. And what is the function of prostaglandin? Prostaglandin's function is that it gives the active. It absolutely makes sperm in active nature. Okay, whatever sperms come from this side sperms also should be in the active condition, and that activeness will be what? Whatever secretion will come from your seminal vesicle, that seminal vesicles, whatever secretion will come here, okay, that secretion contains prostaglandin, and due to the presence of prostaglandin, that activeness of sperm will be possible here. So always you will remember in one sentence that sperm will get its activeness due to having prostaglandin in it. Yes or no? Due to having prostaglandin. So prostaglandin is responsible for giving the activeness. It absolutely provides provide activeness. Activeness you can write here, activeness to sperm. Understood or not? Apart from this one, another kind of function is also of seminal vesicle. What kind of function is there? The function is that okay, whenever sperm comes out from the penis, from the urinogenital opening, okay, and it enters into the vagina, okay, and after the vagina it absolutely goes up through cervix, through uterine wall, then up to your fallopian tube. Okay, so something should be there. It absolutely gets contraction. Yes or no? It absolutely provides the contraction. You write here provides, PROVIDE, provide contraction of female reproductive tract. TRACT. Reproductive tract. It means that contraction happens. Vaginal passage, it will be contracted. Cervix, that will be contracted. Urinary wall up to fallopian tube, some contractions happened, so that sperm needs to be sweep up. It means sperm moves forward up to the fallopian tube. So for moving purpose, that contraction also must be there. So that contractness, it will be given by prostaglandin, due to the presence of prostaglandin in the secretion. So activeness of the sperm, it's absolutely obtained due to prostaglandin, and the contraction of the female reproductive tract, vaginal wall, uterine wall, contractness, okay, whatever happens there, that also will be happen due to prostaglandin. So prostaglandin's functions are all of these. Yes or no? Then after the seminal vesicle, another kind of gland is present, that is known as the prostate gland. Prostate, prostate gland. And you should not forget about that prostate gland's shape and size is the chestnut type of chestnut types of shapes and sizes of your prostate gland. Prostate gland is present just backside of this. And what is the main secretion from prostate gland? Prostate gland, whatever secretion it comes from there, it mainly includes, there consists of your what? Bicarbonate ion, bicarbonate ion, lipids, then citric acid, such kinds of things present in the secretion of where? Prostate gland. Whatever secretion will be happened there, will be released from there. Their bicarbonate ion will be present, lipids will be present, and citric acids also will be present. But the point is that what is the function? Lipids absolutely gives the nourishment to the sperm. It gives the nutrition. It provides nutrition to the sperm so that it will be viable. Okay, and that sperm will be viable in nature. It absolutely nourishes. Nourish. It absolutely provides the nourishment to the sperm. And with the help of that bicarbonate ions and citric acids, what happened? Except the nourishment also, that what happened actually, whenever vaginal area at the time of copulation, sexual intercourse, that vaginal area actually acidic in medium. Okay, whenever sperm will reach here in vaginal area, okay, so there is the probability to be damaged. Understood or not? So it should be basic in nature. Okay, it should be basic. Its pH should be basic. Okay, so it absolutely provides the basic pH. Okay, so you will write here. Okay, its function is that it provides basic pH for sperm. Basic pH for sperm. Okay, if it will not provide the basic pH for sperm, then sperm, it might be collapsed whenever sperm reached in the vaginal wall. Okay, because vaginal wall, that area is the acidic in medium. That's why. So it must be basic in nature. Okay, that pH must be basic in nature. And it is said that semen's pH is 7.4. Okay, you'll remember this one. Okay, so except the seminal vesicle and prostate gland, another type of gland is also present, but present in the pairing structure, that is known as the Cowper's gland. Cowper's glands. Cowper's glands means, here I am writing Cowper's gland. And what is the function of Cowper's gland? Cowper's gland absolutely release mucus. Okay, mucus, and it gives the lubrication. What? Lubrication. It provides the lubrication to the sperm. Okay, so whenever sperm comes from the testes, it first of all comes with the contact of secretions of seminal vesicle, what is known as the prostaglandin. It will be active in nature. Then after that, contractness, it also helps in the vaginal wall, uterine wall, okay, due to coming contact of that secretion. Then after that, whenever through the ejaculatory duct, whenever sperm passes, sperm plus this secretion, it absolutely meets with another secretion what comes from the prostate gland. That is also bicarbonate ion, lipids and citric acids. And due to mixing of such kinds of things, nourishment also it got from here. Okay, and it absolutely became pH, basic in nature, understood or not? Then laterally from the Cowper's gland, mucus absolutely added here, and whenever mucus added, then it absolutely got its lubrication nature, okay, lubricants nature, so that easily it can be passed through the urinogenital tract up to the through the vagina, cervix, up to the what, fallopian tube. So these are the different kinds of functions of accessory glands. Except it, so I little bit I'm just trying to say you that semen. One word you might have listened, that semen. Semen means what? Semen means what? Semen means whatever liquids present, okay, whatever liquids found in the sperm. Actually, semen means different kinds of secretions. Secretions of gland plus sperm. Not only sperm. A sperm absolutely looks like this now. This is the sperm. But so many millions and millions number of sperms will be released. But at the along with the sperms also, different kinds of secretions also will be there found. Okay. From the seminal vesicles, then from the what? Prostate gland. Understood or not? So seminal plasma, that is known as the seminal plasma. What? Seminal plasma. Yes or no? Seminal plasma. Actually, sperm is present there 10%. 10% amount of sperm is present in the semen. Yes or no? Sperm does not come outside alone. Along with the sperm, secretions from the glands also mixed with it. Okay. Different kinds of secretions. It means prostaglandin, and you are that what? All such kinds of things from prostaglandin will be also mixed with the sperm. And along with this structure, that is known as the semen. Yes or no? From the Cowper's glands also it will be mixed there. Actually, from the seminal vesicles and prostate glands, that secretion is known as the seminal plasma. That seminal plasma plus sperm, it will be absolutely delivered to the vaginal tract, okay, female's reproductive tract. Then after this, another thing I would like to say ultimately in the male reproductive system, that if we'll just take the transverse section of this means what? Of this penis, so we will get the circular type of thing. Suppose this is the penis, yes or no? So you can find out that if you just take the transverse section, this is the transverse section of penis, yes or no? Transverse section of penis, then you can find out that highly vascular erectile tissues are there found here. Highly erectile vascular tissues, whatever you can say. This is the anterior side, this is the posterior side, yes or no? In the posterior side, two sac-like structures are absolutely found here, yes or no? And this is the tissue actually. This is the tissue, yes or no? And these two tissues name is, spelling is corpora. What is the spelling repeatedly? Repeat it. Corpora cavernosa. Corpora cavernosa. These two tissues name is corpora cavernosa. Another kind of tissue is also present here. Okay. This is the transverse section of the penis. If you will cut it, you can find out like this. Okay. This tissue's name is corpus spongiosum. This is corpora cavernosa, and this part is known as the corpus spongiosum. Actually, in these three, first of all, I just want to say you here. Okay. Inside this, actually, blood vessels are there present. So many blood vessels are present here. Inside this. Yes or no? What are present here? Blood vessels are there present. Here also blood vessels are there present. Blood vessels are present. These are the blood vessels. Okay. Then here actually in the middle point, whatever tract it here it can be seen in the middle part of this area. Yes or no? This is known as actually urinogenital tract. This hole is known as this part. This is the external urinogenital organ. Yes or no? That duct. This is the duct. A urinogenital duct is this one. Yes or no? Around this one is also blood vessels are there found. So urinogenital tract is absolutely getting covered up with blood vessels, and it is absolutely situated in corpus spongiosum. Yes or no? That urinogenital tract, that duct is present in corpus spongiosum, and around each and every these tissues, connective tissues are there present. These are the connective tissues. Connective tissues are present everywhere. Yes or no? Again, मुड़िया कहूची एटा होची एक्चुअली मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रा डिफरेंट ग्लैंड्स. ओके, तो मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रे कोन कोन ग्लैंड अछि गोटे अछि सेमाइनल वेसिकल ग्लैंड बोली गोटे ग्लैंड अछि जोटा कि दीटा थाए गोटे लेफ्ट साइड रे थाए गोटे राइट साइड रे थाए मो खाली राइट साइड रे देखै छी ओके एई गोटे प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड बोली गोटे ग्लैंड अछि आ एठी अछि काउपर्स ग्लैंड यस और नो पेयर ऑफ काउपर्स ग्लैंड एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन सेमाइनल वेसिकल्स रो मेन फंक्शन होची सेमाइनल वेसिकल जो सिक्रेशन ता करे सेतरे प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन बोली गोटे सब्सटेंस थाए कोन थाए प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन बोली गोटे सब्सटेंस थाए आ प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स रो काम कोन से स्पर्म सहित मिसिबो ओके मिसी कि ताको आहुरी एक्टिव करेइबो ओके ताको आहुरी एक्टिवेट करेइबो स्पर्म को एक्टिवेट करेइबा सहित आउ कोन तार काम होची कंट्रैक्शन करिवो कंट्रैक्शन कोन कंट्रैक्शन करिवो वेजाइनल वॉल को कंट्रैक्ट करिवो तापर यूट्रिनल वॉल को कंट्रैक्ट करिवो फैलोपियन ट्यूब जा फଳରେ कि स्पर्म ता इजीली फैलोपियन ट्यूब पर्यंत जाई परिबो ओके तापर होची प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड गोटे प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड थाए से प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड चेस्टनट टाइप रो प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड कोन होची सेथरे बाइकार्बोनेट आयन रहूची ता सिक्रेशन रे बाइकार्बोनेट आयन सहित लिपिड्स अछि तापर साइट्रिक एसिड्स अछि लिपिड्स रो काम होची से मिसिला परे स्पर्म को नरिश करिवो ताकू न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करिवो आ बाइकार्बोनेट आयन और साइट्रिक एसिड्स मिसी कि ताकू बेसिक नेचर करिवो एसिडिक नुहे बेसिक नेचर करिवो ना भाजाइनल जो वॉल अछि सेटा एसिडिक इन मीडियम ओके सो स्पर्म ता नष्ट हो जिबार संभावना थाए दैट्स व्हाई it will absolutely give the basic pH. Then after that another kind of gland is that present Cowper's gland release mucus okay ये lubrication दबो so that easily it can pass forward it absolutely gives lubrication mone rakha okay so this is the point. Then after that I told you that semen होचे actually से sperm थाए plus जहां भी liquids आसे glands through सबु मिसी के actually ताको semen कहंती yes or no semen कहंती 10% स्पर्म रहे बाकी सब ए सब लिक्विड्स रहे ए सब सिक्रेशंस रहे ओके तपर लास्ट कहली जो ट्रांसफर सेक्शन आमे नबा ट्रांसफर सेक्शन माने एटा जदी काटिबा ताले ए टाइप रसिबो सेठी तीन प्रकार टिश्यू अछि एक्चुअली तीनटा सेल्स ए टाइप रो गोल गोल अछि ओके एटा होची टिश्यू ये दीटा टिश्यू रो गोटे ना यार ना होची कॉर्पोरा कैवर्नोसा कोन सेटा एक्चुअली कॉर्पोरा कैवर्नोसा ओके आ एटा होची कॉर्पस स्पोंजियोसम ओके कॉर्पस स्पोंजियोसम मझी रे एक्चुअली यूरिनोजेनाइटल डॉक्टा अछि यस और नो ता चारि पटे ब्लड वेसल्स ए सब ब्लड वेसल्स अछि अंडरस्टूड और नॉट एटा को कहंती इरेक्टाइल ओके vascular VAS vascular erectile tissue ए दीटा को कहंती vascular erectile tissue एटा और एटा ए दीटा को मिसी के होची vascular highly vascular erectile tissue ओके एटा होची ब्लड वेसल्स थाई भितरे यस और नो सो that penis this kinds of structure it will be erected okay in nature erectileness it will be provided due to presence of blood vessels and bloods also highly it will be rushed towards here inside it will be fulfilled so that it will be erected so we will discuss about this so along with this much I think that we have already covered up that male reproductive system okay next time I will say you from female reproductive system then after that spermatogenesis oogenesis fertilization whatever okay we will go systematically as per your syllabus okay thank you